Hello, Sarah here with the Green Executive. I wanted to show you a way to check these jobs, all your jobs in your job list, and make sure they've made their way to the schedule. And we're going to do that by going into time. So I'm in LMN, I'm in time under schedule, and then let's go to unscheduled jobs. This list can be sorted out a couple different ways. We're going to start with leaving the search field, the fill in the blank search field open. We're going to sort by the job themselves, and we're not going to narrow it down by group. So this list, what LMN is showing me here is these are all the jobs that have no part of them on the schedule at all. So any of these, no part of these jobs have been on the schedule whatsoever. Now, you might say some of these make sense. Like maybe I never scheduled my office work, but some of them may not make sense. And those are the ones that you really want to look into and figure out, hey, what's going on with this job? Was it a duplicate? Was it in here an error? Was it canceled? Did we just miss it? And all of those are possibilities, right? So something that looks like it should have been done maybe and hasn't been, those are the ones you want to investigate. Unfortunately, you can't click right here and go to it. That's where a second tab comes in handy. So if you're in your jobs, job list, that's when you can type in your jobs and I'm going to open up my search and then find the job that it's referencing here. You can also enter in the job ID and go straight to it that way over in another tab for your job list. Now, once you establish these are jobs that haven't been scheduled, that's one way to search. Another way to search is within the job, there are multiple tasks, T for task, T for time, items that the crews are going to clock into. Now, if part of the job had been scheduled, it would not show up here. If a specific task had not been scheduled, so maybe this job has 6 different tasks and one has been scheduled, but the other 5 haven't, the other 5 would show up here. So this list is longer. It's definitely a lot longer of a list, because it's the individual tasks, not the job itself. So some of these tasks might have the same job ID because they are part of the same job themselves. Now, they're here. That means this task, T for task, T for time, has never made its way to the schedule. And we might understand why, like this office, or we might need to investigate and see what's going on with it. So those are good ways to come in here once in a while or routinely come into LMN time under schedule, go to unscheduled jobs and check out your list of not only jobs, but tasks that have not made their way to the schedule and see what's going on.